QR codes, what they are and how to use them. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about QR codes, what they are, how they work, and how you can use them in your daily life. QR codes are two-dimensional barcodes that can be scanned using a smartphone or QR code reader. QR codes encode information in a pattern of black and white squares. When scanned, the information is displayed on your screen. 1. Share contact information. Create a QR code with your name, phone number, and email address. 2. Promote your business. Link a QR code to your website or social media pages. 3. Make payments. Some businesses accept payments through QR code. For access information, QR codes provide additional details about products, services, or events. Creating a QR code is easy. Use a free online QR code generator, enter the information, choose a design, and download the code. QR codes are versatile tools that can be used for sharing information, promoting business, making payments, and accessing additional content. So there you have it, QR codes in a nutshell. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.